y'all. Hey, what's going on? Feeling kind of good today. Lord be with me on this one. Just here to talk about some stuff that I think is quite funny. Everybody know how great and wonderful Michael Jackson was, and everybody loves to get on Papa Joe or Mr. Jackson's father. How bad of a father he was. But look on the high side of it, the bright side of it, he beat that man into greatness. I mean, the greatest artist ever known, the man. Period. Point blank, simply put. He gave them things that other people can't even use today. They try and mimic and be like it, but it never will happen. Like, have you noticed the different noises that Mike uses during a singing concert, whatever? Oh, all them different noises. Those are from the incident of the extension cord. The extension cord, you have flashbacks. That's where it all comes from. I'm sorry, y'all forgive me, but just think about it. All that stuff, those are extension cords. Those are the beats and sound effects from the extension cord the noise is made. And just so happened when he get in a concert, he had flashbacks. You know, hey, came a lot of pain with all those whoopings. You know, uh, furthermore, that's why it was the Jackson Five. Ain't no telling when Joe Jackson started trying to get them together. Probably way before Mike was even born. But I think, boy, basically, hey, probably could have happened. Just me thinking. I think that one boy Tito, whatever his name is, whoever back there sit back there and play that guitar. Hey, he just played the guitar. You know, damn, you don't do too much. Hey, I think that came from the fact uh, he got too big, and Joe tried to book him, and he was like, "Hey, man, don't hit me no more." And Joe swung that belt or that stitch cord, bop. You know, Tito gave him stiff. He was like, "Hey, son, hey, boy, you don't do it." That was that. So I focused his energy on Mike, but I think that's the reason why Tito back there like, "Hey, man, I'll be in the band, but you know, for the family, but hey, man, I ain't with all that." And that's that, you know. Sound a little fake and sound crazy, but just think about it. Don't nobody across America a singer make those type of noises when they sing or perform. Ever. He did every song. It's like he paying homage to his father. Like he's saying thank you for that, for the butt whooping. You know, like and it's like, me thank you. You know, because, hey, without those whoopings, Lord forgive me, and there probably would have been a Mike.